In today's video, I'm going to show you the top foods that can boost your immune system and help fight off all the germs. Hi, welcome to today's diet. It's no secret that eating well can have a huge effect on our health. If we're not taking care of ourselves, then it's only going to get worse. That's why in this video I'm going to share with you some great ways to boost your immunity so you feel good again. Everyone knows that it's important for you to eat fruits and vegetables in order to stay healthy because they provide you with a lot of nutrients that you need. They can help you lose weight by making you feel more full with fewer calories. Most importantly, they can help boost your immune system considerably while still being delicious and good for you. One of the best types of fruits for your immune system hands down is citrus fruits. The most common citrus fruits you'll find are oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. These were commonly eaten aboard ships hundreds of years ago to stave off scurvy, but these days, they give you a great vitamin C boost, which greatly improves your immune system. Whether you're eating them raw or incorporating them into other foods, it's a great thing to keep on hand. Garlic is a very common component of many recipes, often used to enhance the flavor of anything from sauces to meats. While eating a lot of it can give you a bit of bad breath, it's incredibly healthy for you. On one hand, it helps keep your blood pressure low and your heart healthy. On the other, many of the chemicals found in it give your immune system a great boost. In a similar way to citrus, bell peppers are amazing at giving you additional vitamin C. In fact, they've been found to contain almost double the amount of the vitamin that citrus has. They're not spicy and they can be eaten raw, steamed, or seared in a pan. They're great as a quick snack or as a side to the main meal and are fairly cheap in most places. Beta-carotene is a very important chemical that your body uses to produce the cells in your body that will go on to fight diseases, so having enough of it is very important. Carrots and spinach are both wonderful sources of it, and you have plenty of ways that you can eat them. Combined into a salad, they'll both be welcome additions. They can also be cooked up and served on the side of a steak or some chicken, and are very healthy for you. Finally, beans and seeds are great sources of zinc, an element that your body also uses to create white blood cells. Beans and seeds are fairly shelf-stable for a long time, so they can be stocked up and used when needed. Sunflower seeds are a great snack, while beans are a good side for a meal. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below and hit the notifications bell. Thanks so much, hope to see you soon for my next video.